I went ahead and put a fuel filter onto the paramotor because I fly at the beach and I figured it probably would be a good idea. The fuel bulb was already on there. It's kind of attached like you see. But then to put the fuel filter, I kind of attached it in the same position with the tie wrap and the Tygon tube, kind of suspending it or offsetting it off the frame, as you notice right here. So they seem to be in pretty good position. And then it goes up behind the seat and then down into the carburetor. And this is a top 80, and I've heard other people mention before about the physical size of the barb on the carburetor, and this is how I got around that. This is the fuel line. I think it's a 1/4 inch ID. And then when you get to the carburetor, this is the tube. I'll leave an item list in the description, which you can see the big issue behind that if you want to have a proper connection. So what I've done is I've turned around and I've attached this part to the carburetor. Then this slides over that with 2 tie wraps. You can see it inside there. So what I've done is to make certain that I didn't make this tube that fits on the barb too long, so it's slightly shallow, so that when the larger tube slides over, there's no chance for the inside being pinched off and having a fuel issue. So works pretty good. Thought I'd share it.